touched it and converted it, but also Modi's done all the work, all the hard work.
Why does he touch it?
Over. Why does he touch
already?
it?
Why? If it's going in, is he taking the goal from Modi? Is he saying no? Unlucky boy.
The only team capable of beating Kaizer Chiefs right now. Real Madrid combine it with Barcelona, put Van Dijk at the back. They might have a chance. Mara, they won't do it.
As about assistant, that guy must go together with Nabi. They must go. We want a coach. We want coach. We don't have a coach, Steve. What's it?
Abantu ababhale phansi. Mina umlilo wamaphepha ngiyawazi. Ayazi into ephelele emoyeni mina. Ayikho. Hey. Bale ngoma bebeshaya. Le ethi Sena ndabane Pirates thina sihleli phezulu. Bathi bebethi ingoma yabo beyithi abane ndaba nePirates bona bahleli kuphi phezulu. Bakuphi manje? Njengamanje mfethu bana
I remember. For me to come and watch Channel 100, the repeated and the reoccurrence of the same thing. We were winning. And then, Steve, even those who died a long time ago, even if Jesus wakes them up, they will tell you that Chiefs will never go anywhere with this mentality.
So Pirates, they're gonna chase us like this the whole season, but they'll never catch us.
They'll never catch you.
They will never catch Orabona, or now they change from dozen, I don't know, to use the egg of the snake Bona. They'll never catch us.
Well. We said it, and it's happened again. Well. The real Bafethu Mamelangti, the real Kaizer Chiefs. 1 Amazulu Hebe Usuthu 1. Back to normal settings. Ibuyile impilo bafethu. Back to life. Back to reality. Ngintshelile. What did I tell you? Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, it doesn't get old. It does not get old. This is what I love bafethu. When it doesn't go well for the club. For the club, yeah. I'm a Zebras. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs. I'm happy because you know what? You talk a lot. Nikuluma gakulu. You are like the comedians. Nikuluma non-stop. Guess what? The joke is on you. Because you know what? Nisho into ekungemelanga nisho early in the season. First 3 games niyasiphapela. Hey, Kaizer Chiefs are back. Hey, we are top. Hey, we want Real Madrid. Hey, we want Manchester City. No, bafethu, no. Once uNabi abuya from itrip yakhe eTunisia, wabuya ngekhemi elibheda kabi, elinuka kabi. Linuka kabi, liyatlanka lela khemi lela elize nokuNabi from eTunisia bafethu. Now guess what? Nabi is not there anymore. Apparently, because he's not there anymore. They saw ukuthi lo muntu lo akekho umnandi unabi, but Kaizer Chiefs will never change, bafethu. I'm sorry. The club will never succeed. It will never be the club that it was 20, 25, 30 years ago, 40 years ago. I don't care. Because let me tell you what, these players are all S. All S. All S. Khanyiso Mayo. Sawayamjikela manje. He's only played 2 games, the guy. Sawayamjikela manje. Ranjuzi, Godli. Ranjuzi, Godli Lilipo, Lollipop. Bayamjikela. Woo! I love to see things I love to see, bafethu. When it goes down for Orlando Pirates, it goes down. But when it pours for Kaizer Chiefs, it pours really hard. Pause. My man of the match, Khanyiso Mayo. Thank you for being there at the right time, at the wrong place. Cause guess what? You were offside, my guy. You took that goal away from Umudi. Thank you, Khanyiso Mayo, my man of the match. The hate along was fantastic. When I saw Amachitat sokushawa ma spinning, my sokushawa ma flate, my was good no. Someone is coming off. Someone needs to come off. And guess what? Godli, Ranjozi, bamkhipha Lollipop. Bamkhipha Imayo bayikhipha bafethu. The new flavored Mayo is out. He just lost them the game. No, abaluzanga bafethu. They throw. But you know what I mean. It was the Lollipop and the Mayo. Kaizer Chiefs. You love to make things easy for us. I wanna know you Pirates fan and you make things easy for them. Oh my God, the banter. Kaizer Chiefs, the real Kaizer Chiefs is back. Bafethu, ngiyanicela, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, whatever you wanna do. Members, Niaz.